You're looking at an outsider, and outsiders associate with other outsiders, and that's exactly what I did tonight.
Esta noche te demostré porque soy el mejor, lo mejor en el mundo. Como siempre, tenías que traer a tus achichincles.
I brought my family, Dave Chris, Jake Chris. We're going in there for some gang warfare.
Callihan with the man! Oh gosh, damn it! No, you don't do this! Oh my god, he got it off!
There is this story that is circulating all around and how Warbeast saved Penta. That story has been greatly exaggerated. Warbeast came down to do Warbeast business. And once we started to get our hands dirty, we realized that Penta and Warbeast both have a common goal, and that's to get rid of Sami Callihan. Get rid of Sami Callihan. Get rid of Sami Callihan.
Warbeast!
Holy shit! Warbeast is here! We've never seen Warbeast in a cage like this!
Are they joining forces with the champion?
This is Barbara.
Lo mejor de PCW está aquí mismo, cabrón. ¿Qué te parece si lo hacemos más interesante, cabrón?
On July 27th, all violence, no fear, against Ohio versus everything.
Lucha super extrema.
What? We're gonna demask you. We're gonna make you bleed, and we're gonna show once and for all why Ohio is for killers.
I've got my sights on you.
July 27. All violence is legal.
Thumbs up, thumbs down.
Porque yo soy Penta El Zero. Miedo.